We're the Grill Dads, and this is grilled picanha using certified Piedmontese beef with chimichurri. First thing we're gonna do is open this up, pat it dry, and then we're gonna stake it out, put on our sword. The fat that is on this piece of steak is arguably the best tasting and most tender fat in the entire animal. It's not gristle, it's not gross. Eat it, it's the best part. Want it nice and dry so that we can get a good crust. I'm gonna try and get 3 good pieces. Now this little point, you can throw this in some burger grind, or you can just cook it like a little mini steak. That is gorgeous right there. I'll salt these before I roll them up. I'm just doing kosher salt. All sides, get that fat also. I'm gonna fold these over to a nice crescent shape. Sword through the middle. The sword's pretty cool. It's an amazing presentation. It's a centerpiece of an event. If you don't have the sword, you can get them for pretty cheap on Amazon. If you don't want to do that because you're lame, you can just salt these and grill them like steaks. We've got our grill set up as medium-low all the way across, which on this gas grill is still pretty hot. You're looking for about 450 degrees in there. You want to flip these every couple minutes because you want it to cook evenly and develop a nice crust.
Now that we have our picanha rocking back here on the grill, we need to make something very bright, fruity, fragrant, even a little bitter. And guess what we're gonna make? Yep, you guessed it, chimichurri. Let's go ahead and start with some Italian flat leaf parsley. There's our parsley, cilantro. There's our cilantro. Now, the only ones I don't keep the stems on are the oregano. Comes right off. And I'm just gonna give this a nice little chop. I'm gonna add just a little bit of crushed red pepper, about a teaspoon or so, maybe a teaspoon and a half, not a ton. I'm gonna add some olive oil, some red wine vinegar, a teaspoon and a half of that, and then I'm gonna use a teaspoon and a half of champagne vinegar. And then last, just a little pinch of salt. Always use kosher. And you just mix it up. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. There it is. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Full recipe available at thegrilldads.com.